What's going on, guys? Lloyd here, back again with another video. Also, change of scenery in my kitchen right now, just because it's the only open spot in my house right now. But doing a quick unboxing and camera test of the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro right here. Essential combo. Got the Osmo Pocket 3 right here, by the way, for unboxing purposes. But the whole premise of this is because I am finally going to replace my GoPro Hero 7 Black. Got this back in 2018 when it was brand new and all that stuff. Served me really well, actually. I started this channel out shooting using my GoPro Hero 7 Black, and a couple of my videos from like me doing some vlogs and also POV riding videos like my electric scooter, electric skateboard, and also electric bike from just a couple of years ago here and there. This has served me really well. However, though, the technology is quite old, and also just the whole GoPro system, for some reason, it's very frustrating. I don't know if some of you are GoPro users, but this thing just crashes out of nowhere, either overheats or just records the freaking audio and no video. So finally, it's time to upgrade. It's been like, what, 7 years? So here goes. Alright guys, so just a quick unboxing and camera test. Not an overall review just yet, maybe later on down the road, but let me know if you guys want to see that. Alright guys, so first impression is it's big. Bigger than my GoPro Hero 7 Black. Check that out. I'm using the front camera. So there it is. Wow, there's a lot of screen real estate. And what's nice too is that this is an actual like screen, not just like a stat screen where, oh, it's recording, here's the time and stuff, kind of like the GoPro Hero 7 Black. So I'm excited to be able to see myself like just vlogging like that. Can't wait to test it out. And in fact, let's go try it out right now.
All right guys, so what's going on? This is my partner there. But outdoors right now for this Action 5 Pro first impression and see what it looks like. As far as stabilization goes, I set it to sports mode, I guess, whatever you call it. It's 4K 60 frames per second with Rocksteady Plus wide, maybe, I'm not sure, but yeah. So let me know what you guys think. Definitely quite of a change from like my, I guess, 2 running videos I posted here on YouTube from like 2020 2021, but definitely though the stabilization I think has improved quite tremendously compared to, I mean, it's a different brand, but the GoPro Hero 7 Black that I used to use. Also, how's my audio? Like, I'm using the raw mic for the Action 5 Pro, so let me know guys what that sounds like to you. Yeah, I'm gonna do a, I guess a quick sprint here, see what that Rocksteady Plus is like, so here goes. Alright guys, I'm using my iPhone 17 Pro Max now. Dual capture mode in action mode so that it's a little stable, but I'm about to do a sprint here, so let's go check it out and see what that looks like. I look ridiculous, but oh well, here I am. So how's the Rocksteady Plus? Let me know what it looks like, guys. So yeah, that was a quick example of what the Action 5 Pro looked like. Again, it was just a first impression, but I am beyond stoked to see what this will look like for the rest of my videos that I'll be posting here on YouTube, especially vlogs and other adventures, e-bike, e-scooter, running, and just general lifestyle. So I'll take it back home now.
One thing I almost forgot is to test out the low light. It is currently set to low light mode, whatever you call it right now, I don't actually know, but it's in 4K 30 frames per second, Rocksteady Plus. That's just how I like it, but I think you can set it to like 24 frames per second, 60 frames per second, 48, 50, and all that stuff. Again, I'm just using the native mic right now. How do I sound? Also, how does it look like? I mean, obviously this is like garden lighting right here. It's not the actual like city lights and stuff, so you'll definitely have more lighting situation and all kinds of different lighting everywhere, like above you, below you, on the sides and stuff. So all the lightings here right now are all at the bottom because it's, you know, obviously it's a garden. So yeah, but hopefully you guys can see me okay. I'm just looking through the tiny screen of the camera here, but hopefully that is working fine as well.
Okay, so that was a DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro quick test first impressions, not a full review, you guys. But again, those stuff that I did, you know, the clips, low light, vlog tests, sprinting, running, and all that, they're pretty much identical to what I'll be using this camera on a regular basis. So I guess you can kind of call this a partial review too in some ways or the other. But at the same time, and in comparison, probably not a fair comparison at all, since this is an aging action camera, but I'm just gonna do it anyways. In comparison with my GoPro Hero 7 Black and the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro, this one is light years ahead in terms of tech and everything in between. Now I know GoPro has the latest and greatest too, which is the GoPro Hero 13 as well. I did watch a couple of review videos, comparison and stuff about that, but I'm already in the DJI ecosystem. You know, I got the drone, I got the Osmo Pocket 3 right here. Got a couple of their mics actually. And then so I was like, why not just stick with DJI Action camera as well? So here we are. But overall though, guys, I think it's great, especially for vlogging situation. This front screen right here is fantastic. I know GoPro has similar ones like this. Same thing with, I think, with the Insta360 and other action cameras out there really, but this will be super helpful for me and maybe for you. You know, if you are new to vlogging, content creation and whatnot, and you just want to be discreet a little bit, you know, you can kind of just cover it like that and vlog away. You can see yourself, you can see your stats and whatnot, and you can see behind you, wide angle, ultra wide, and all that stuff. Plus the low light situation is fantastic. I mean, this one is great, but this one is better. So overall though, you guys, very happy with this. And you know, if you are interested in purchasing one as well, I'll link it down in the description. It's going to be an Amazon affiliate link, you know, just kind of help support this channel and whatnot and help me make these kind of contents for you guys. But other than that though, guys, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys in my next video.